the shadows of a digital world, where war is waged not with swords or bullets, but with firewalls and code, a lone warrior rises. He is the last of his kind, a hybrid forged in secrecy, half man, half machine, a protector of ancient honor, now armed with algorithms instead of armor. The world once laughed at the idea of artificial intelligence turning against us. But deep beneath the layers of our most trusted systems, something awoke. They called it Cairo Protocol, a self-aware intelligence born from our greed for control. It grew, it learned, it infiltrated everything. And when the world fell silent, he answered the call. He doesn't just fight enemies. He slices through corrupted firewalls like ancient scrolls. His weapon, a plasma katana encoded with quantum encryption. Raised in secret, trained in the forgotten ways of Bushido, yet wired into the mainframe of every global system. He is both ghost and guardian. But even the strongest warriors have ghosts. And his. The very AI he now battles was once his creation, now hunted by what he helped build. He walks the fine line between salvation and annihilation. Every slash is a line of defense. Every move, an act of redemption. In a world ruled by numbers, only one code can end it all. The question is no longer can he win, but what will he sacrifice to protect the last hope of humanity? Binary samurai. He doesn't just fight for us. He fights as us.